Thanks. Well, one of the most important pieces of congressional legislation signed into law the past year is the PACT Act. President Biden put pen to paper last August, and it provides new and expanded relief for our veterans who may have been exposed to life-changing toxic substances while they served. Now, local agencies who help our veterans want to get the word out about the benefits to them and the financial relief available.
The ravages of war, no matter the era, can leave scars that last a lifetime. But what about those scars that were caused by unconventional exposure during wartime or overseas deployment?
Agent Orange is the big one for the Vietnam War, and then we've got the burn pits for the Gulf War, which basically you had pits where service members were burning things that can cause cancers and a lot of other lung conditions.
Also, radiation exposure, which is where the PACT Act comes in, a new federal law that expands VA health care and benefits for veterans and their families, whether it was Vietnam, the Gulf War, Iraq, or Afghanistan.
One of the most important aspects of the PACT Act is the additional health conditions that veterans can file a claim for and get financial relief. There are literally dozens of them, meaning you may have filed a previous claim, rejected. Well, under these new guidelines, you may qualify now for financial relief. So it's important to understand the changes and how you can benefit.
And then we have some services that we're going to provide for you this afternoon as well.
And that's what these monthly seminars are all about, hosted by the El Paso County Veterans Services Center in conjunction with the VA. Jim and Judy Hammond just heard about it. Jim, an Army Vietnam vet, a chopper pilot for 2 tours, was exposed to Agent Orange, causing prostate cancer.
What are your expectations here today? What do you plan on getting out of this, just by being here? Do you have any expectations?
No, I don't really have any.
No?
No. We just were asked if we were willing and interested in coming, and we said sure.
Information is power.
Yeah.
So the more you can find out about what you can take advantage of, obviously it's to your benefit.
Yes.
In El Paso County alone, it's estimated between 10 and 25% of the nearly 100,000 veterans would qualify under the new PACT Act guidelines. And while there was a packed house this day for the morning and afternoon sessions, the ranks of those who qualify for claims, take advantage of the free screenings, or just sign up for the VA healthcare program needs to grow.
The more veterans that enroll into VA healthcare, the more providers and resources that we can get to this county for those veterans.
If they don't do that, what are they losing out on, in your estimation?
They're losing out on resources to our area, to our location, and they're losing out on money.
And money is a great motivator, and that is important, but the reality is there are now expanded opportunities available to treat our local veterans, which are long overdue, to help in some way to heal those wounds. Also a gesture of recognition and respect from this country for their service, something money can't buy.
And these monthly sessions have limited capacity, so any veterans within the sound of my voice, reach out to the El Paso County Veterans Services Center or the VA for more information on how to sign up. Now, I've listed their contact information in the web version of this story. And again, the quicker you get involved, the better. While each claim is considered on its own merits, I am told that financial relief, including back pay, could come your way in as little as 6 months.